Hello, good day. My name is Celestina Silva Riveros. I'm a virtual English undergraduate student of the SECAR University Corporation. In this activity, I want to talk about the past, especially the moments that changed my life. To relate a relevant moment that has made my life, I will divide it into the first moment of them 6 years ago when my first daughter was born, an experience that brought to my life new challenge and thousands of feelings and sensations. Each of these have made my life to this day. That moment of knowing that I have the responsibility to educate, teach, care for, and be an example for that new little person who made my way of living the world different, that raised the fears and any dangers, then hugs her and always waiting to be there. Her at the evening stage of her life, to see her run and achieve her old goals. To relive the second moment that has made my life different came 1 year ago with the arrival of my second daughter, a little girl full of energy and adventure, who taught me every day to be more loving and caring mother. She made my plans change from one moment to the next, since she brings out the biggest smiles from me, and every day she makes me feel like the best mom in the world. During the last year, I have grown as a mother and professional. My life is no longer the same as yesterday, and my dreams aren't longer those of a years ago. Thanks.